we just took apart the paneling, and we're gonna be taping everything up and getting everything ready for the spray foam, and we're gonna use cardboard for any areas that we need blocked off. Alright guys, so as you've seen, a couple days have gone by. We've got dual power runs installed front to back. We have super tweets in the front dash, and we have the rear door speakers wired up. Yesterday we got the alternator in, and we installed that really quick, got a belt on there, make sure it was working. Alright, so we got 1 week until Slamology 2019. We got sub wiring, amp wiring, and test. We need a couple days for test and tune. We also need to get some speaker rings cut out for the front doors. The front speakers that we're trying to install on the front doors, we're now allowing the window to roll up and down. The magnet's kind of getting in the way, so we're gonna get some rings to space those out a little bit, and we should be good to go for Slam.